Hey guys, welcome back to the email marketing course. In this section, we're going to be showing you how to build your email capture page on your website. So this is really important to building your email list. So you need to have a point of entry where you're going to be able to collect these emails. So you need to first have an email capture page. So we're going to show you how to do that step by step. All right, so let's get started. Okay, the first thing we're gonna need to do is grab your domain name or your domain, create a domain, right? So you're gonna go to any of those sites, GoDaddy or Bluehost or any domain name tree, and you can be able to buy a domain name and then web hosting there. If you already have all of this, you already have a domain, then you can kind of skip this step. But for those of you who don't have a domain, I would say I recommend you go checking out like Bluehost or GoDaddy and then creating your domain name. You can choose whatever your domain name is, but I would recommend choosing something that's related to your niche, right? But you don't have to be too specific with it. You can be a little bit broad and vague. So that way, if you decide to change your niche later down the road, you can still have your domain and still use the same thing, right? But uh, as long as you have a domain name, so because your domain, it's www dot whatever your domain is, that's gonna be where you're gonna host your lead email capture page, right? So that's where it's gonna be directed towards. So we need to first set that up. After you sign up for your domain and registered and everything, the next thing you need to do is build your lead capture page. Okay. So for you to build your lead capture email lead capture page, you need to have a landing page builder. Now you could just build this using HTML coding as well, but I'm not going to teach you how to do all that. That's not what this course is about. So if you want to go and learn how to do web coding, that you can go learn somewhere else there. But for this course, I'm going to be using a landing page builder. It's going to be a lot easier to do this, a lot faster to build it with a landing page builder. So I'll be recommending you a landing page builder that I'm using, and then you can use the same thing if you want. You can follow along. If you already have your own landing page builder that you're currently using, then you can all still follow along as well in how to build this email list, email capture page, right? But that's what I'm going to be using is a landing page builder. Now, what is the difference between a landing page and a website? All right, so a website is a collection of all the different web pages grouped together into a well-organized brochure. It's like a digital brochure for your business. So, like for example, right here with Fossil watches, you have all the different catalogs here, and then it's all organized right here with the navigation, and then you have each of these leads to one different page and then links to other pages as well. So it's a whole entire site. All right, so that's what a website is. Now, what is a landing page? A landing page is basically just a web page within a website and usually doesn't have any navigations. In a website, it could have it, but you don't really need that. But its only purpose is to do either to sell one product or capture an email. All right, so it has a very dedicated objective. All right, so it's a page within a whole entire website. Now, you don't need to build out a whole entire website. You just need to have one landing page where you're going to be able to capture emails like this. So, for example, this is an example of a landing page that captures email. And what they're doing is they're offering a free diet plan in exchange for your email. So, right here, you can enter your email. So we're gonna build something similar to this. Now to build this, you're gonna need a landing page builder or what a funnel builder is what they call it. And the one that I'm gonna be using is called Go High Level. Now this is a really great landing page builder because it's not just going to help you build a landing page and help you set up your lead capture page, but it's also going to help you set up all of the email sequences on the back end and the automation as well. So you don't need to sign up for one landing page builder and then an email automation software on the side. You can just have all done in one place, so you don't have to have multiple memberships with multiple different software websites. And so Go High Level is like an all-in-one solution for starting out your business. So this is not just for affiliate marketing, but this is just for any business. This is a really great software and you can do a lot of different things with this. For example, this is the one that I'm currently signed up for. As you can see, you can create multiple different accounts and you can build out your funnels here. You can build out multiple funnels and then you can do automation sequences. So this is where you're going to be able to send out your emails to your leads that you're going to capture, and then it's going to do it automatically. So you just have to write the emails one time, and then the whole system's going to automate it. Right, so you're going to be able to do all of that, and I'm going to show you how to set all of this up within using this software. So if you want to sign up for it and follow along, you can sign up using free 14-day free trial. I'll leave a link below in the description, so where you're going to be able to sign up for this as well. So this is a really great tool that I'm going to be using, and you can follow along using this. So after you've already signed up for Go High Level, you're going to be inside of your Go High Level dashboard, and this is your agency dashboard. So from your agency dashboard, you can create multiple sub accounts where you're able to manage them. So this is, it's good for if you have like multiple businesses, so you can have like one business for one sub account and another one for another one. But what you want to do is you want to first create a sub account. If you don't already have one, create it. I'm going to already pick a sub account that I've already created. And then within your sub account, the first thing we're going to do is first connect our domain. So the domain that you've purchased from your domain service provider, whether it's GoDaddy or Bluehost or whatever it is, you're going to first integrate that domain into this dashboard, so that way you can connect it to your landing pages. So to do that, you're going to go to settings, and then you're going to go to domains. So this is a domain name that I've already purchased and already integrated, but I'm going to show you how to do this if you haven't integrated. So what you're going to do is just hit add new domain. And then before you even add your domain name, what you want to do is you want to take this value, these numbers, and you're just going to copy this. And then you're going to go into your domain service provider. So like, for example, like one right here is GoDaddy, and then you're gonna go find your tab where you're gonna be able to manage DNS records. So in GoDaddy, you can just go to domain and then go do DNS records. Once you're on the DNS records, it's gonna look something like this. And every domain service provider, whether it's Bluehost or GoDaddy or HostGator, whatever it is, they're all gonna have this sort of like page where they show you the DNS record of your domain name, and then you're gonna add new record. So you're gonna add more record, and then for type, you're just gonna put a, and then for name, I'll just put it as @ and then this is where you're gonna insert that value, that number that you see right here, and then you're gonna add that, and then I'll just put a half an hour, and then you just hit save. Then after you do that, now you can enter your domain here and then add the domain. Now it might not add right away because sometimes it takes a few hours for Go High Level to recognize that you added a new domain and then change the DNS records and do all the connection on the back ends. So if it doesn't connect right away, don't stress out. You just try it again in a few hours, and then you'll have it all connected. But that's the first step, is just connecting your domain, and then once it's all connected, you should have something like this. And then after that, we'll be able to build our web page, our landing page, and then when we launch our landing page, we'll have our domain already connected, and then just insert and then have it all integrated. So now we are ready to create our lead capture page, right? So to create a lead capture page, you're gonna go over to the tab right here that says sites. And this is where you're going to be able to create all of your web pages. They also call it funnels. So this is where you'll be able to build our whole entire funnels. So the one that I am using is for the offer that we're promoting is TED Woodworking. And I've already created the opt-in page for that. So let me show you what that looks like. So this is the opt-in page. As you can see, I said, get a free instant access to a 2-in-1 folding picnic table plan. So I'm giving away a free plan. They enter the emails, and then the email gets taken over to a thank you page. And then this email gets saved inside of Go High Level, where I can follow up with them with the whole email follow-up system. So that is the page that I've created. Now I'm going to show you how to create the same exact page. Well, you can also download this page that I've already created. If you want to use the same exact opt-in page that I've already created, I'm going to leave a link in below. Basically, Go High Level has this feature where you can share a funnel. So you can clone a funnel, and I can share this funnel with you. So all you need is the link for this share funnel, and then that will automatically import into your Go High Level. So I'll leave a link below where you can get access to this, so you can just download it and then you'll have the same exact opt-in page if you want to use this. Now, I always recommend that you also create your own opt-in page because your niche might not be the same as mine, right? So you might be in a different niche than mine is. So I suggest that you create your own opt-in page. But to create the opt-in page, we're going to show you here. I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to show you how to get familiar with the setup. Okay, the setup. Okay, go back, and then I'm gonna hit new, and then I'll just call it opt-in page. Okay. So next, what you're gonna do is create your funnel step. So you're gonna add new step, and then right here we're just gonna call this the sign up page, and then we're just gonna do create from blank. All right, I'm gonna get you familiar with this funnel builder. So basically what you wanna start off, the first thing of the layouts is that you're gonna have your sections, okay? So this is your main layout. So this is the section that's gonna encompass each part. Then you can add multiple sections like this. So let's say we were trying to recreate this and we want this little logo on the top. So we'll just do this main section, and we're just gonna do add one column, and then we'll add an image at the top right here, and then we're gonna bring an image for that. So I'm just gonna pull the upload image. All right, so we got our image right here, and we can make this smaller. So the way to do that is you go right here to image with px, which is the pixels size. So I'll just do like a 100, and that'll pretty much make it smaller. I can make it even smaller, just do 50 to 100. So you want to do 100, I would say 50 is pretty good. Let's see, 50, that's pretty good. Or let's do 70. So that's pretty good right there. That's gonna be just our logo. It could be your own logo, whatever you want to add. And then the next part is gonna be our headline. So we'll just say free instant access to 2-in-1 folding picnic table. So what we need to do is add another column, and then we're gonna need to add an element for headline, and we're gonna do copy and paste that free instant access. And we want to change the color and the size of this headline. So what we're gonna do is change the color red. All right. Oh wait, hold on. Let me see here. Oh, I'm sorry. That's the icon color. We're gonna do the bold color red, and then we're gonna change the size of this headline. So you're gonna go right here, it's a desktop font size, and then boom, just do that, and then free instant access. So this is for the desktop. If you want to do it for mobile, you can also do that same thing. You want to switch over to mobile, you're gonna look something like that, and then you can do the same thing here, right? So this is what mobile view looks like, and then this is what the desktop view looks like. So a lot of the time the people that's going to land on your opt-in page might be from desktop or mobile. So you want to make sure you're adjusting for each, sizes. Then the next part, what we're going to do is we're going to bring this image and this arrow and all this stuff right here. So we're going to add 2 columns here, and then we're going to add an image here. Then let's see here. We're going to go to the left here. We're going to go here on this little image icon. I've already uploaded the image. So here's your picnic table image. And then on the side, what you're going to do is you're going to basically add benefits and what you're going to be getting, get a complete guide for the plan. What is it going to include? This is a neat folding bench table one project. You'll get a step-by-step instructions. It can be built over a weekend, 100% free. Simply enter your email. All right. So we're going to add I'm going to do a sub headline right here. And then I'm just gonna copy this, and then I'm gonna we're gonna do a bullet point here, and then I'm gonna copy this, 100% free. So we got that, and now we just need to add our form. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add we can either do the form right below here, or we can do the form right down here. So I'm gonna do it down here, and then we go to forms. So right here it says you don't have any form yet. So what we need to do is we need to build the form separately on a different part of the dashboard. Okay, so I'll show you how to do that. So we'll just leave this right here. I'm just gonna save this. So to create our form, we're gonna have to come back into our funnels dash right here, and then you're gonna go into form builder, and then you're gonna add new form. And we're gonna try to build it exactly like this one right here. So we're gonna just do full name, drag that in there, and we're gonna do email, and then we're gonna do the button. Now we need to change the text for the button, so it should say download free plan. And then the background for the button should be something like a yellow, like that. That's about right. And then we need to change the size of the text, and then we need to change the color of the text. It's gonna be like red. And we're gonna bring this to the middle, and then we can bring this out all the way to the end like that. So let's say 50. Let's see 50. Let's do 80. And that should bring it all the way around. And now we just need to create a red background like this, a border like that. So we're just gonna hit on this right here, and then it should pop up like this. And then we're gonna go to options. Actually, we're gonna go to styles, and then form style background. We're gonna do red, and then that's it. And then we're gonna go to options here, and then we're gonna name this form email opt-in submit, and then we're just gonna save this form, and then we go back to our funnel. Okay, so we're gonna go back in and edit our form. So right here, we're gonna select the form that says form email opt-in submit, and then right there it should pop up like that. So it's not exactly like the same one right here, but it's very similar. So basically you're just telling them the benefits of why you should download this free plan, what's going to be included in the free plan when they download it, and then once they download it, well, it's going to be submitted and it's going to go to the next. So once what we're going to do is for the button action, we're just going to go to next step. So once they submit this form, it's just going to go to the next step and then save. Call this the picnic. Save. So now we have our first page of our sign up form. So we need to create the thank you page. So once they enter their email, they're going to be taken to a second page, which is going to be the thank you page. So we're going to do a new page right here. We're going to do add a new step. Let's say thank you, and then create the step. And then we're going to create from blank. All right, so the thank you page that I've already created for the opt-in page is this. So we're going to recreate the same exact thing. So we're going to take the same thing right here. We're going to do full width, and then background, gray. I'm going to take this right here at the headline, copy that, add one row, the element, headline, boom, thank you. And then we're going to do a second one. Let me see. And then we need to increase the font for this. So the reason why you want to say, look, thank you, your free plan has been sent to the inbox, you want to make sure that they're opening the first email that you're sending out to them, and make sure that they check the spam folder as well. So that way they receive the email, they opens it. If they open the email, then they're going to be able to see the follow-up emails that you're going to be sending. So this is a really crucial step, making sure that they see that they check their inbox, so the email that you sent to them, it's has the plan that they're going to be able to download. And then we're going to do, let me see, another full width. We'll just do a yellow background for this. I'm just going to say get access, one column, headline, get access to over. So what I'm doing currently right here is, what this is, at the end of your thank you page is also an opportunity for you to promote the offer that you are promoting, right? So from the thank you page, you can link them to the product that you're selling. So right here, I have them link and say, hey, get access to over 16,000 plans. So they get the free plan. And then after they opt in to get the free plan, I'm also telling them, hey, you can also get access to over 16,000 plans. This is going to be where I insert the hop link or the affiliate link, right? So what I'm gonna do is come over here. I want to take this image, add this image right here. We got the image. We're gonna add the button. So let's say button right here, and then we're gonna call this button right here. Change the name of the button. What does it says? Click here to get access. Click here to get access, and then we're gonna change the color. So That's how you set that up. And then we'll just go full width here. I'm just gonna do like a black background for this. Now we're not trying to do exactly like everything here, of course. We're just kind of moving along so I can show you how to set it all up. But the key important thing is that on this button, what you want to do is you want to insert your affiliate link. So if you remember the affiliate link, and so go back to the ClickBank right here. If you remember your affiliate link, you generate a link right here, and then you want to add your tracking ID. I'm just gonna call this the opt-in page. So we're gonna generate tracking ID. We're gonna copy this, and this is where you're gonna insert your affiliate link. So this is another entry point to the offer that they're gonna be able to get. So right after they sign up for your email opt-in, you get a chance to promote the offer. So basically, it's a soft sell, right? So you're gonna link to a website URL, and then you're gonna insert your affiliate link. So now that button is inserted with your affiliate link. So once they hit that link, they're gonna be taken to the offer page where they're gonna be able to purchase that. So we'll just call this thank you and then save. And then we're just gonna go out of it. So now that we've completed our build for our lead capture page, the last thing we got to do is make sure we set up our domain and then test out to make sure that everything is working correctly, right? So the first thing we want to do is go to settings, and then you're going to select the domain that you've already integrated, and then you're just going to hit save. And that's going to bring up your URL. So this is the URL that you're going to be using, and then let's open up everything is working right here. So this is the one that I've already built, so I'm just going to use this as an example. Then right here under full name and email, you just want to enter, I'm just going to enter a dummy, we'll just call it John Doe. We'll call it John Doe. And then John D23 at gmail.com. And then I'm just going to hit download free plan. And then right here, you're going to see it says right here, thank you. So it take us to the thank you page, and then just click on the access and see if it takes us to the offer page. So this is the ClickBank offer that we're promoting. So it's taking us to the office. So if you should have had your affiliate link already embedded in that button. So it's very important that you also do that as well. And then last thing, we just want to double check and see if it shows up in the context. So let's go into the context right there, John Doe. So the email opt-in, everything is working correctly. So let's recap everything we did so far with this video. We did our domain setup, and then we built out the sign up page, and then the thank you page, and then finally we embedded the affiliate link, and then also making sure that we checked everything was working correctly. In the next section that we're going to be doing is we're going to create our email sequences. This is a very important step because there's a strategy behind this email sequence setup. So this is to improve the open rate and then also the conversion rate. So how you nurture your leads once they're opted into your sign up form, and how you strategize your sequences is really important to getting you the sales that you need for your business or for your affiliate offers that you're promoting. So hope to see you in the next video, and it's going to be a great one. So I'll see you next time.